Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. I'm Kyle, the author of Emoji Messenger. Today I'm going to introduce what is Emoji Messenger, what the issue is trying to solve, and how the issue is solved. Let's begin. Emoji Messenger is a web-based text message encryptor. With Emoji Messenger, any text message can be easily encoded into emojis. Only the recipients who hold the correct password can decode the message. To use Emoji Messenger, you do not need to install anything on your smartphone or computer. Just type this URL into your browser address bar. That's all. So you may ask, why do I need to encode my messages? Well, Emoji Messenger is trying to solve a simple task. To protect your privacy when you are forced to use an insecure messaging software, your next question might be why I want to use an insecure application at the first place. Really? Just ask yourself, when is the last time you have been asked to install some social apps by others? I guess it should be not a long time ago, am I right? When we talk about messaging applications, a sad fact is your recipients, not you, are making decisions on choosing softwares. You have to use the softwares trusted by them instead of you. The recipients could be your boss, could be your customer, your business partner, or your friends. In the most cases, you will find to persuade somebody to replace an app is nearly an impossible job, and you will be considered to be rude at least, if not worse. So what can you do if you have no choice but must work with an insecure messenger? That's why I wrote Emoji Messenger. By using it, you can encode your messages into emojis. Share or even publish these emojis anywhere you want. They can be copied and pasted as scenes, text, emails, or social media posts. Only people with the correct password can read your messages. Your messages are protected by AES algorithm, which in human language is some extremely complicated mathematics formulas. Now let's see how it actually works. Let's encrypt something. First thing, you need to share a password to your recipients. Then you need to open the Emoji Messenger by type the URL into your browser address bar, which is emoji-messenger.letsmore.co. And then fill your message into the message field. Let's say this is your original message. It's going to be encrypted into emojis, of course. For this demonstration, we just keep it simple to use the password as 1234567 8. That's it. And then we set your password in the password field. And then click the encrypt button. That's it. Now you can share this emoji. Copy this emoji to anywhere you want. Now for the decryption. First thing this is the same. Open the Emoji Messenger by typing the URL into your browser. Then you need to copy the received emojis into the message field and type the password into the password field and click the decrypt button. That's it. Your message just be decoded. Emoji Messenger is using AES algorithm. It is open sourced under MIT license. It stores nothing at the server side. So your messages is absolutely safe with us. If you like Emoji Messenger and this video, please give me some feedbacks. Your support is important for me and it drives me to develop this project. Finally, thanks to Devon Legazon and free photos at Pixel Bay. It is impossible to finish this video without your amazing photos. Thank you.